Hi, I'm Thad Dudry, Senior Faculty for Anatomy Trains, and I'd like to invite you to join us for a special 3-hour deep dive dissection into the knee on Friday evening, July 26th. You'll be joining me, Master Dissector Todd Garcia, Anatomy Trains CEO Melanie Burns, and we'll be having special Japanese translation with Rolfer Kauri-Tani. I'll be exploring the knee, the largest joint in the body, which in some ways is very simple. It has a lot of flexion extension with a little bit of rotation. And in other ways, it's an incredibly complex joint. It has multiple bony articulations. It has cartilaginous shock absorbers. There are true ligaments, bursas, fat pads, and even a special bone inside a tendon. And all of this is in between the two longest levers in the body. So in this special dissection, we'll get to explore two knees. One is completely normal, unaltered with a lifetime of wear and tear. And the other one has had a total knee replacement. So we'll get to explore what they had to do in the surgery and how they function differently before and after. So we would love it if you would join us on Friday, July 26th for this special 3-hour deep dive dissection into the knee.